What's up, curious people? Today, we got kind of a fun one. I know in the last video we talked about lathes and how they're meant for more cylindrical parts because you obviously just have one axis, but our lathe, unfortunately, is not big enough to run these parts. So we're turning our vertical milling CNC machine, our Haas UMC 750, into what is essentially a lathe. We are first going to take this piece of steel. It has a hardened outside, kind of like a chromoly coating. So we'll cut that off, then we'll come in with end mills, clean up around this, and then we're actually using a thread mill, which is specifically meant to cut threads. It'll start at the bottom and work its way up and up and up and up. Actually, I said that backwards. It'll start at the top and work its way down, down, and down in 3 depths. And then we'll do some metrology, which is just taking accurate measurements on the part to make sure it's the right distance overall, that these steps are the right distance from each other, that because we are cutting these threads ourselves, that they are the right pitch. Thread pitch is the angle of them, and then also the TPI, how many threads per inch. Yeah, it's a pretty fun program, so hopefully you guys enjoy.
The omniscient voice is here to talk you through what you're seeing inside the work cabinet of the machine. First is a quick glimpse of how these steel bars are being held in place. We made these clamps so that the bar is going to slide in, and then when the vices below are tightened, they pinch the bar in place so we can machine both sides and put those threads on them easily in one setup. Coming in with a boring head, this is going to be used to clear off that hardened outside, maybe taking a 15 thou deep cut. This was a fun one to see run in the machine, and a first time using a tool like this in a vertical CNC machine for me. I sped it up so you don't need to listen to that screech for a full 4 minutes. Next tool is going to be a 7-flute end mill, pictured here. We are using these tools specifically for this project because they're able to take a light cut, but able to remove a lot of material at a high cutting speed or feed rate. The coolant flowing onto the tool helps clear steel chips out of the way while also lubricating the tool and keeping it cool so it doesn't overheat, potentially causing wear, extra wear, or damaging it to the point where it breaks. First is a sped up video, and then we have a real speed so you can hear the difference in sound and speed. Now coming in with our thread mill, we are able to cut the threads, taking the cut in 3 depths, so there is no fear of overloading the tool and breaking a tool or the shaft of the tool entirely.